A guy was seen on camera taking some boxes from this house on December 12, 2015. The homeowner in this video declines the odd man's request to use the restroom because it makes him uncomfortable.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Sorry. That's going good. May I use your restroom?
Nah, but I don't feel comfortable with that. I'm sorry.
It's alright, it's cool.
Yeah, do you live around here or something, or what?
No, I'm just in the area. I don't really have anywhere else to go.
Oh, the community center might be okay, but I don't know you, bud. I'm not comfortable with that one. Sorry.
Sorry. Take it up.
Patrick was unaware that bears enjoy congregating in his yard, but when he checked the alerts from his Ring doorbell one day, he was shocked to see that other creatures besides bears also like to hang out on the steps in the rear. It functions as a highway for animals. According to the proprietors, a liquor store in Colorado had 2 robberies in a single evening. Surveillance footage showed a Hummer smashing through the business. One of the windows, 2 individuals got out of the car to use the ATM, but the suspects decided that hitting it with the car would be the most effective method to free it because it was fastened to the ground. That they did. Then they tried to remove the Bitcoin machine and ATM using the Hummer after securing chains around them. They were unfortunate because the chain broke. Then, using only their hands, they attempted to remove the machinery from the shop. After a 3rd or 4th try at the ATM, they were able to break it apart and escape with the cash box. They were able to put the Bitcoin machine into the back of the vehicle. The culprits had already left before the cops arrived. Hours later, when the owner finally arrived, he discovered that the business had been broken into once more, with various items being taken. This man received a motion alert from his Ring spotlight camera while he was at home. Hence, when he checked his live feed, he noticed 2 strangers fiddling with his front door, as he had previously encountered a similar circumstance. He immediately knew what to do. The 2 men took off as he turned on the Ring cam siren. This uploader claims that the man believed he was going to break into their flat.
can't answer the call right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
The uploader claims they were sound sleeping when the incident occurred and was startled, but they were deaf. A doorbell camera captured this thief on a bike robbing this homeowner's possessions. The uploader of this TikTok video claims that two armed robbers robbed their neighbors. On November 4, 2015, a porch pirate was caught on camera taking various goods from this property in the dead of night. Watch as this would-be thief fails miserably in his endeavor.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, can I help you?
Yeah. We work around here.
Sorry, what?
And I work around here.
You work here?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you looking for?
I worked for your property before, a long time.
I don't know. Are you looking for someone or can I help you with something?
Yeah, I do your driveway, do the step, do the tile before a long time.
Okay, I guess, you might be working with a previous owner, but I don't know you. I don't recognize you.
Oh, okay. I owned the shop before. The tile in the front of your house before a long time. Then your daddy?
I'm sorry,
Hello? Hello?
Yes. Tell me. I'm not at home. I'll be there sometime. I don't know why
I'm
you're calling like this.
Tile that before for your property. In the front house.
So what are you looking for? I'm sorry. I'm in a meeting right now, but can you tell what are you looking for?
but nobody house.
Yeah, right now I'm outside. I'm gonna be there in about 15-20 minutes. I'm out on a meeting. So I'll be home in 15-20 minutes.
Oh,
Okay?
okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Please assist, writes the individual who posted this video. If you encounter this man in the Central Point area, please call the police as he is wanted on several warrants, ranging from domestic abuse to breaking and entering. Even being in my own place makes me nervous. Thank you. Take a look at this highly unsettling woman as she tries to enter someone's home in the dead of night.
Hey, you need to leave.
Why?
Well, I'm not home.
You shot your pants. You better need to cover them up. When I cover them up, I'll send the name. Yeah, you better. And I got you caught up here. Your double fall. Up here. Go ahead and fall. Come on.
You need to let me out. They're going to allow it.
Now, but we just get it. You're gonna get it. I don't need to leave. Don't need to leave. You attack me tonight. You better. All right. I got all the videos. You need to like you're off. You're off.
You know they're breaking the wall.
Okay, I'm gonna let them on your dad. Then they can start. You're gonna tell them what to throw to death.
No, you dumbass. Yeah, you dumbass.
Gary was surprised to see this absurdly long snake creeping across the top of this wall, because snakes aren't typically found in his neighborhood. Is it true that a guy walked up on my doorstep and left something, as TikToker claims? This is what my kids said when I phoned my guys, which I overheard on my Ring camera.
You done what? I got what you trying to get? Shit, ain't shit in here. Oh. My fault, Mom. It's the top lock. Oh, this the wrong key. She locked both of those. He said something? No. So where? Where my kid? Where? Look. Look. Where he at? Spot. Where you at? You see anybody with a gray hoodie on?
When Sharon's husky, Lexi, led her to the living room window when she was at home, as soon as Lexi started barking, Sharon checked her Ring app to see what was going on. On their porch rail, a bear was doing a balancing act. This man shattered the homeowner's glass in an attempt to gain entry at around 1 in the morning. Unfortunately for him, the cops were standing in the street just behind him. This suspicious-looking man was seen on camera searching the area of the building for a key. This homeowner, who had just recently moved in, was caught by this man stealing from him.
Hi, you are currently being recorded. Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Only seconds after it was delivered, this man was caught on camera taking a box from the residence. A break-in is captured on a Ring doorbell camera at this residence in the Iowa City region. An unidentified male has been observed in Pembroke Pines, Florida, approaching a home. He tries to enter by jiggling the doorknob, but happily is unsuccessful.
Hello? Hello? Who are you?
Stay tuned for our #1 pick that will shock you.
The homeowner confronted this man after he was seen trying to break into this house in broad daylight. Then he makes one of the dumbest justifications you'll hear in a while, claiming that he mistakenly believed this to be his home.
Look at that nigga. Hey, yo, what you need?
My bad. I thought this was my house.
Why are you trying to open the door?
Because I thought it was my fault.
Hey, get out of here, bro.
Alright.
Come on, set up in the bar. What the? I don't know. Ahí está parado afuera, ¿sí?